Hello and welcome back to Kyndal's Yoga and Meditation. I'm Kyndal and I'm so excited that you are here. This is the first video in our Pranayama playlist and it is called Ujjayi Breath. It can also be not translated, it can be called Ocean Breath or Darth Vader Breath, which I love to call it Ocean Breath. The benefits of Ujjayi Breath is that it calms the mind and the body, and it can help with feelings of irritation, frustration. Oh, those are fly. Just like that, I should have did Ujjayi Breath with that fly. They irritate me. Anyways, it can also have an influence on your cardiorespiratory system. So we typically do Ujjayi Breath in Vinyasa classes. So we can do each pose has a breath, like inhale your hands up, exhale forward fold, and you're doing Ujjayi Breath. You can also do it during aerobic exercises like running or swimming. I do encourage you to try it. It might be hard at first, but I promise that it works and it's really nice. So, without further ado, let's practice together. So, you can either open your eyes, close them, keep a soft gaze. I want you to inhale through your nose and exhale out your mouth. Inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. You can notice that loud sound on the exhale. We're going to try and mimic that sound, but this time closing the mouth and breathing in and out through the nose. Inhale and exhale. You will be able to feel it in the back of the throat, and it might sound like the ocean, or maybe to you it sounds like Darth Vader. Goodness. Okay, let's try it again. Ujjayi Breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Do this a few more rounds with your own breath. Gently open your eyes. Practice Ujjayi Breath anytime that you need to calm your mind, body, help with frustration or anger. Please remember that you matter, you belong, and you are so, so loved. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.